In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button to your Odoo website. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive into how you can easily add a button and customize it on your Odoo site. First things first, the first step is to log into your Odoo account. You'll want to head over to the home page. Once you're in, look for the option that says Website and click on that. This will bring you to the main dashboard of your website where all your editing options are located. Now, once you're in the website editing interface, your next task is to click on the Edit button. This action enables you to make changes to your website. After you've clicked on Edit, navigate to the Blocks section on the left side of your screen. Within that section, locate the button block. You can choose to drag that button to your desired location on the page. Once it's positioned where you'd like it, drop it there and click on the button to select it. Once you have your button in place, you can start customizing it to suit your needs. This is where you can add any required attachments or make adjustments to the button's appearance, like changing its text or color to fit your website theme. Think about what you want the button to say, whether it's Contact Us, Buy Now, or something else that encourages interaction from your visitors. Now that you've made all the changes and added any necessary content to make your button functional, it's time to save everything. Look for the Save button at the top of the page. Clicking this will ensure that all the adjustments you've made are applied to your live website. It's crucial to save your work so that visitors can see the new button when they navigate to your site. And there you have it. You've successfully added a button to your Odoo website. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance user interaction and improve your site's functionality. Whether you're encouraging users to sign up, make purchases, or get in touch with you, this button will be an essential part of your website. Don't forget to preview your changes before you go live. It's always a good idea to see exactly how the button looks on the site and if everything functions properly. If everything appears as you intended, congratulations! You're ready to share your updated website with the world. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember, if you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Good luck with your website enhancements, and I hope your new button brings plenty of engagement. Until next time.